Clearbrow, North Dallas. 24 S5 Audi, full front, Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Real simple install, probably one of the easiest next to a Tesla. Let's take a look here. So full mirrors, no seaming. Everything goes in one section, so we don't have any marks in it. Our hood, if you're a person that lays patterns, well, there are patterns and people that do it, where this hood is done because of this tall ridge. They'll do it in 3 pieces, one here, one down the center, and a third here. I don't do that. Everything goes in one, no seaming, perfectly laid in, no markings, no stretch marks, no adhesive marks. Everything goes in beautifully. This hood is not as hard as people think, but it is a nice hood when it's done right. So fenders, no big deal to the fenders. Real simple, wrapping them in there. Full hood's wrapped in under here. All this is all wrapped in. Everything just looks fantastic. Bumper, fully done, 100% in. You can't wrap this little edge right here. It's just not gonna stick. So there's not enough to grab. So we get it super tight. Tow hook, everything's done there, all the way around, underneath, and coming around this way. So everything looks good, everything's clean, everything's fantastic. Again, nice and tight in here. Everything looks good, and that's it. Oh, the other mirror, I'm sorry. There we go. No markings, nice and even, one section. There it is. S5 Audi 2024 with the Xpel product on it. 10-year guarantee, lifetime installation guarantee by us here at Clearbrow, North Dallas. All that's in writing. And any questions, clearbrownorthdallas.com, or you can reach me at 214-414-3809. Take care, have a great day.